Here's how to check your US mobile data usage and see how much data you have left. First, open the US mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone. Sign into your US mobile account using your email address and password. Select the line or shared data pool you want to check. Open the Current Cycle tab. Here, you can see your total data usage, remaining data, and hotspot usage for the current billing cycle. You can also check your data usage from the US mobile website. Open a web browser, go to the US mobile web dashboard, and sign into your account. Select your line or data pool, then open the Current Cycle section to view your remaining data and hotspot usage. Alternatively, open the Messages app and text BALANCE or TOPUP to +1 888 878 1488 from your US mobile phone number. You receive a reply with your current balance and data information. You can also track mobile data directly from your phone settings. On an iPhone, open the Settings app and tap Cellular. Scroll down to check how much cellular data each app uses. Make sure you reset the cellular statistics at the beginning of your billing cycle so the usage matches your US mobile billing period. On an Android phone, open Settings, tap Network and Internet or Connections, and select Data Usage. Set the billing cycle date to match your US mobile plan so you can track your monthly usage accurately. That's it. Now you know how to check your US mobile data usage using the app, website, text message, or your phone settings. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more video updates.